making process begins in August to September, over 6 months before the date of the presentation. It is prepared by the Finance Minister with the help of advisors and bureaucrats. Before preparation, the Finance Minister invites input from business leaders and experts. In this process, various accounting and financial institutions also provide their thoughts and proposals. Hello, my name is Charu Agrawal and you're watching Zee Business. The budget has 4 stages that includes estimates of expenditures and revenues. First, estimate of the deficit, the narrowing of the deficit, and the presentation and approval of the budget. At the start of the budget making process, the Finance Ministry sends circulars to all the ministries, states, union territories, and autonomous organizations. These circulars contain basic forms as well as essential guidelines which ministries utilize to convey their requirements and expectations. Ministries submit their earnings, spending, and estimates for the year. Government officials review the data and consult with relevant departments. The Finance Ministry allocates revenue, consulting the Cabinet or Prime Minister if disputes arise. For a better understanding, the Department of Economic Affairs and Revenue communicate with other stakeholders such as agriculturists, small company owners, and foreign institutional investors. The Finance Ministry holds pre-budget talks with various stakeholders including state leaders, economists, and bankers. All requests are reviewed by the Prime Minister before final approval. The government has a yearly custom of holding a halwa ceremony a few days before the budget is presented. The event marks the beginning of the budget document printing. As part of the celebration, a massive kadhai is used to make halwa, which is then fed to the whole Finance Ministry workers. The Finance Minister presents the budget to Parliament, highlighting key aspects and explaining the rationale. This occurs on the first day of the budget session. Following the presentation, the budget is presented to both chambers of the Parliament for debate. The budget is then sent to the President for approval once it has been approved by both the chambers. For more such budget-related videos, do follow Zee Business.